Less furry than a traditional companion, an innovative six-legged guide robot developed in China promises to revolutionize the independence of visually impaired people, as revealed by a research team in Shanghai. This robot dog, currently undergoing practical tests, can navigate the physical environment with the help of cameras and sensors. One of its most impressive abilities is recognizing traffic signs, a function that traditional guide dogs cannot perform. In China, about 20 million people are visually impaired, and according to the project's lead researcher, technology can be a valuable ally. The robot is approximately the size of an English bulldog, but a bit wider. Equipped with artificial intelligence technology, it can effectively communicate by listening to and speaking with its visually impaired operator. Its capabilities include voice recognition, route planning, and traffic light identification. Additionally, its 6 legs provide a smooth and stable walk, according to researchers. Li Fei and Zhu Xibin, a married couple who are visually impaired, are among the volunteers helping the university team test the robot, using commands in Chinese. Li is completely challenged by vision, while Zhu usually uses a cane to get around. Although the development of robotic guide dogs is also underway in other countries such as Australia and Britain, China faces a significant shortage of traditional guide dogs. Moreover, pet ownership and the use of service animals are still new concepts in the country, meaning many workplaces, restaurants, and other public areas do not welcome traditional helpers like a Labrador. Perhaps this is where technology can really make a difference. Today, we explored the innovative development of 6-legged robots. Now we look at wheeled robot dogs, which are redefining the limits of robotics and improving autonomous navigation capabilities. Robotic systems introduce these robots that fuse the adaptability of legs with the efficiency of wheels, allowing them to reach speeds 3 times faster and maintain operating times twice as long as traditional walking robots. Significant strides in autonomy have been made through 2 major advancements. Firstly, the introduction of versatile locomotion with wheeled legs represents an innovative design unseen in the natural world. This system allows the robot to autonomously select the most efficient movement mode, utilizing model-free reinforcement learning. This method dramatically reduces the need for human input, enabling the robot to adjust its gait based on the terrain and its overall body state, stepping only when necessary to optimize efficiency. Second major advancement is in navigation. In densely populated urban environments, these robots encounter a variety of dynamic obstacles, such as pedestrians, stairs, and narrow pathways. A highly responsive and intelligent navigation controller has been developed through hierarchical reinforcement learning. This controller integrates flawlessly with the locomotion system, equipping the robot with the ability to autonomously explore and adeptly navigate through complex environments. Extensive real-world tests have been conducted in urban areas like Zurich and Seville, where the robot successfully navigated over 10 kilometers with minimal human intervention, skillfully managing a range of real-world obstacles. This demonstrates the vast potential of wheeled-legged robots to enhance autonomy in intricate urban settings. Shifting focus, presentation also highlights participation in the 2024 Advanced Industrial Robotic Applications Challenge. Teams showcased the ALMA-legged manipulator robot, engineered for teleoperated tasks in hazardous environments, such as inside a simulated chemical plant. Out of 5 competing teams, they secured 3rd place with their innovative control system. The competition involved several tasks including door manipulation, waypoint navigation, cabinet inspection, and precision challenges like the buzzwire task. The control system combined a leader-follower arm control with a game controller for intricate movements. Despite facing challenges such as network issues during a bottle-filling task, the robot demonstrated remarkable adaptability and resilience. These advancements not only reflect the current state of robotic technology, but also highlight the potential for future applications where robots could seamlessly integrate into daily life, handling tasks ranging from the mundane to the highly complex with greater autonomy and efficiency. The advancements in wheeled-legged robotics and the team's performance in the Robotic Challenge illustrate the exciting progress in the field. These innovations are pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve, and hint at a future where robots are integral to handling diverse and complex tasks in both industrial and urban environments. In the past few months, the evolution of robotic dogs has been quite impressive, marking significant strides in the field of robotics. These mechanical companions have seen advancements in their AI capabilities, allowing for more nuanced interactions and responses that more closely mimic those of real dogs. The latest models are equipped with enhanced sensors and mobility features, which improve their ability to navigate various terrains and environments. Moreover, the integration of IoT technology means these robots can now better sync with other smart devices, providing users with a more interconnected experience. As these robots become more sophisticated and accessible, they offer promising applications not only as pets, but also in sectors like security, where their ability to patrol and monitor could be invaluable. Overall, the recent developments in robotic dogs are pushing the boundaries of what these machines can do. Don't forget to like the video, follow the channel, and comment on what you think about the advancement of technology today. Until next time, friends.